So what's up mga kagandang guro?
Gandang Guru Vlog, yeah! Sign language edition, girl.
So for today's vlog of GGG, Gandang Guru Vlog, we're going to talk about sign languages. We're going to talk also about how it works, how it helps us, and I'm going to demonstrate for the end of the video on how it will use. Like using my name to do sign languages and also using sign languages to tell my age. I hope you will wait for the end of the video to see that, and let's go! Whoop! So now let's talk about sign languages and non-communicative or non-verbal communication. So what is sign languages? Well, sign languages is a type of non-communicative or non-verbal communication where we use our hands and expressions of hands to express things or information. We use this for the people who are unable to use their voice to speak up and give the information or the message they want to give. More specific people who are using this are people who are deaf or mute. Why? Well, they're unable to give the information that they want to give to us, so they use the hands to express it. For the people who are deaf or unable to hear things, they use the sign languages so that the information can be given to other peoples and also the information can be given to them. Because as we know, people who are deaf and mute, they are unable to hear things and they are unable to say or speak things that they want to say. That is the useful of sign languages for people like them. So what is connection to nonverbal communication? Well, apparently it is one of the 7 parts of the non-communicative or nonverbal communications, like the haptic, the pictic, the chronomatic, the oculic, the proximitic, then there is also the vocalic and the kinetic. Well, let's focus to kinetic. It is the study of the movements of the bodies without using sounds, gestures, expressions, gesture, posture, and body language and hand languages. Hand languages and sign languages are the same, so we can conclude that sign language is a part of non-communicative verbal communication because we're communicating to other people using these things without using sounds. So now that we know about the non-communicative or non-verbal communications and about sign languages, I'm going to tell you and going to teach you now on how you can learn and how you can use it. So let's go. Woo! Bye-bye! So now that we here again, we're going to talk about the sign languages alphabet. So what is sign languages alphabet? Well, there are the 28 letters in the alphabet, and each of them has a significant letters or symbols that we use to express the letters. Like this, and many more. So now let's talk about and tackle on how or what is the alphabet it is. So alphabet composed of the 28 American or English letters such as A, B, C, D, until Z without the N, J, N, Nye, and a complete set, not like Filipino who have only 26. So now that we know about the alphabet, let's talk about or let's now tackle to how these signs will happen. So first is the letter A. To express the letter A in sign languages, you should use this. You're going to close your hands and put your thumb here. This expresses as letter A. Now, next is letter B. For letter B, you just need to put your hands up, close it, and put your thumb close inside, and that is the sign of B. C. In C, you're just going to shape your hand in letter C, like this. They express letter C. In D, you're going to raise up your finger, this finger, the pointy finger or the pointer. You're going to use and sign like this. This is considered as D. It's like the opposite or the, I don't know, side, but it's like the D sign. Like something like that. So it's considered as D. For ear, it's simple. You're just going to close your hands and put your thumb here. Like that. Same like A like this, but E is here. You can see it will form a small letter E here. Yeah. Next is letter F. Letter F is just like symbolizing 3. Like this, 3, and closing here. Yan, like that. But number 3 in sign languages is different from that. I will assure you that. Next is letter F. Letter F symbolize like this. Again, oh my god, sorry. But letter G. Letter G symbolize as pointing and here. Like that. G. G. That is G. Next is letter H. H is like G, but you're going to raise the other one like this, and that is the H. Now for I, rather than using this as I, you're going to use your pinky finger. Yeah, like that. That is I in sign languages. For J, you're going to use this part, but you're going to draw the J using this. Like that, J. It's just like the alphabet.
Like sometimes it's the same like that, and you're going to do something crazy to make it J like that. So that is J. Just draw J using your pinky finger. J.
Next letter K. K, you're just going to raise your hand like this and put it here. Like that. Like that. That. Why not this? Well, this is considered as V, and I'm going to talk about it later. But this is the things you need to learn. Next is the letter L. Like same thing, L. M is simple also. You're just going to put it here, then down. Apparently that it is not the simple, it's one of the hardest. But you will learn it more. Like that. Next is the N. Then the O. Okay. Drawing O. In P, you're just going to like do this and put the middle in the center. Next is Q. Q is just you're going to make like that, but below. Q. R, you're just going to cross your fingers like this. S is like the N, but the opposite. Rather than putting it inside like this for the N, you're going to just put it outside. And S, that is S. For the T, you're going to press it inside and close it. T. For the U, you're just going to use this. Like that. U. For the V, you just open it. W, you're just going to raise this one up, and W, recreating W. And then there is X. You're just going to use this like the Q, but raising up like that. Y is this, like letter Y. Then in Z, you're going to use your pointy finger and draw say, or that, depends. So that is the alphabet, and now let's move on for the numbers. P whoop poop poop poop.
We're going to talk about numbers. Sign language about numbers. So it's more simple than the letters. You just need your one left hand or right, depends on how you proceed or you use or what hand
You are. So for number 1, you just simple like this. 1, like always we do. Then 2, like V, just that, 2. For 3, rather than this, we're going to use this. This is the number 3 in sign languages. Then next is 4, like this. Then 5. Then 6 is this. Rather than
doing this or this or this. 6 is like using your one hand that you always use, then choosing this pinky finger and putting your thumb here. It's just like counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you cannot reverse back. So you're going to count it again from the start, like just 1 or 6, 6.
Then 7, just follow the other one and bring it down and bring up the last thing that you already use. Then for 8, bring it up, then bring this down. Then 9. How about 10 if there's no other finger to bring down? Well, in number 10, you're going to bring down all of the 4 and raise it up and create a thumb shape. So you're going to question, I think you're
thinking, how about 16, 11, or other numbers? So to do that, most likely sign languages is most prone for 1 to 20 rather than 21 to more numbers, because apparently you only have 2 sets of hands and there are different techniques to do that. But I'm going to only teach you about the technique on doing to 11 to 20. So in 11 to 20, you just need to remember
the first 10, then adding this, like the 10. This is will symbolize as the tenths of your number, and this one will be used as the ones, like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that is just simple, right? Now that we know about the alphabet and the numbers, let's use it in a modernized, or use it in a lively using things like introducing yourself or introducing your age. So now let's go there. Beep, whoop, whoop, whoop. Now that we're here, let's test and how it works. So just imagine. Hello everyone! My name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Now for the next name, or the second name, Jacob. 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 Now for the last name, or the surname. So my surname is Garcia, so Garcia. Garcia. So you're going to question me, what is your age, or how old are you? So my age, or what my age is 17. I'm 17 years old and live here in Manila. You're thinking now, right? Well, I think I cannot answer any questions because it's already time and I need to go now. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's talk about things for the next time. So, bye-bye! Thank you all! Mahal ko kayo! Bye-bye! Bye!